Hey guys, in today's video I will be putting this tempered glass on for the Galaxy Note 3. I already did open up the package for it, so let's keep that off. I'll show you guys what's inside of this. It's the paper that you saw on the outside. Let's see. More stickers to get any dust off. Another one. Then a cleaning cloth and the alcohol pads. So I'm gonna open this up. And this is moist, so now I'm gonna see I'm gonna use this now. So now, after I get this done, I'm gonna then check it over. I'm gonna check it over again. Make sure there's nothing left on this display at all. And then, after checking to make sure there's nothing on the display at all, I'm gonna then officially put the glass on. So that's gonna be as good as I can get it. I can't really get it any closer. So now we're gonna take this, which this has the Galaxy Note 3 tempered glass in it. So now I did not remove the padding, I did not remove the whatchamacallit, the protective sticker for it just yet. So I want to make sure bear with me. Now I gotta try and get this out some way. Let's see. Okay, I'll come back when I can get it. So I am back now, and I did manage to get the protector further down. Just trying to get it all lined up. I just want to get this all lined up. So this way I can just immediately put this into my case. So now I'm gonna try and smooth it out on the edges. I may have to actually replace this down again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do that because this is not sitting properly. So I'll come back when I get it fully fixed. Now I have officially got the whole thing down now, and it is fully placed and no bubbles at all. I will clean up the smudges that are left behind. I will do that because that I don't like to see. So after this, I will be placing the case on that I have that I had received in the mail. So now, let me check out. Yeah, not a single scratch or anything on this display. So now we have, that's actually hard to see. Let me see if I can. So, and this case does have an S Pen slot. It's got a speaker. It's got a microphone. Trying to get it just. It's got the volume rocker right here. It's got the power button here. It has another microphone here. And it's got, oh, this isn't another microphone. This is the IR blaster. And this is the second microphone with the headphone slot for it. So now, let's take this apart and I will show you guys this now. Another thing I wanted to point out is, sorry for the bad lighting, but my phone flashlight, I didn't want to really turn that on because I didn't know if that would be too bright or not, so. Just making sure this fits securely in here, because I don't want it to have a small mishap and come out of its case. So let's get this case in. I am clipping in this case wherever it is possible. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. My dad had called me, so as you guys can see, the case is fully intact. Got the S Pen slot here. Got the camera module here. The S Pen, since it's right here, it's actually very easy to take in and out of the system. And the other thing I gotta do is get this out of safe mode, but that you guys don't have to stick around for, because I'm just gonna do that on my own time. So that's been the unboxing and review of the Samsung Galaxy Note 3 tempered glass, and this, I'm not actually sure where the information is for this, but the case is a I'll show you guys here, because it's a Bentoben It's a Bentoben Galaxy Note 3 case with holster. So, yeah. That's been the unboxing and review, and I'll see you guys in the next video.